Hi, I'm Seth Tate, Product Manager at Blum US, and today I'm going to walk you through how to install AVENTOS HL Top. Let's first take a look at the hardware we'll need for our installation. Along with 2 lift mechanisms, you'll need a lever set, 2 cover caps, a door hardware set, and a cross stabilizer rod and adapter. There are 4 versions of the lever set. Each version is specific to a range of cabinet heights and weights, with the 3200 unit designated for the shortest possible applications and the 3900 unit designated for the tallest possible applications. To choose the correct units for your application, determine which range your cabinet height and door weight falls within, and choose the unit within the same row as that corresponding range. There are 2 versions of the lift mechanism. Each version is rated for a specific range of cabinet heights, with the 2200 unit designated for the shortest applications and the 2500 unit rated for the tallest applications. So, as an example, if your door is 18 inches tall, you would choose the 2500 lift mechanism for your application. To install the lift mechanism, place the unit in the top corner of the cabinet. Then, slide the unit backward into the cabinet until the lip on the positioning guides catch against the front of the side panel. Push the lift mechanism up until the top positioning guide touches the top cabinet panel. Now, mount the lift mechanism with the included screws. Attach the levers first by clipping them in to the top of each lift mechanism. Then, push the orange tab to unlock the lever. Insert the lower portion of the lever into its mounting position in the lift mechanism and engage by lifting the lever assembly up to the open position. Cut the stabilizer rod to the proper length using the following formula: inside cabinet width minus 113 millimeters. Once your rod is cut to size, attach the adapters to each side of the rod. Finally, attach your completed cross stabilizer to the lift mechanisms. With your lift mechanisms in place, we can walk through how to attach your door mounting plates to your cabinet door. To find the vertical drilling distance from the top of the door to the first screw location, solve the equation Z equals X plus top overlay, where X's value is dependent on the specific lever set used in your application. The horizontal drilling distance from the side of your door to the screw locations can be found by adding 12.5 millimeters to your side overlay. With your screw locations found, you can attach the mounting plates to your door using the provided screws. Now that your door mounting plates are installed, you can attach your door to your cabinet. To do so, first ensure that your lift mechanisms are in the open position. Then attach your door by lining up the door mounting plates with the levers and clip them into place. Now that your door is attached, adjust the tension on both lift mechanisms to ensure that your door is properly balanced. When your door stays exactly where you leave it, the tension of your lift mechanisms are properly adjusted. To adjust the Blue Motion soft close of your lift mechanisms, push the orange switch on top of the lift mechanisms to the min position for the least amount of soft close. For the most soft close, push the switch to the max position. With your lift mechanisms properly installed and adjusted, you can add your cover caps. If you have any questions about AVENTOS HL Top or any of our other products and services, please visit our website at blum.com. If there are any videos you'd like to see in the future, please let us know in the comments below.